Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise 9.6. Question number 11 and question number 12. These are the important questions. After that, we'll solve question number 13, 14 and 15. These three questions are actually Bernoulli's equation. Let's start question number 11 first. dy by dx is equal to 1 over e raised to power y minus x. If you want to solve the equation y as dependent variable and x as independent variable, you will not be able to solve it with the method of linear differential equation. So you will have to reverse it. I mean, you will have to consider x as dependent variable and y as independent variable. We will write this equation as dx over dy is equal to e raised to power y minus x. Now x will be treated as dependent variable and y will be treated as independent variable. Our standard equation will become dx over dy plus x into function of y is equal to function of y also. Add plus x on both the sides, we will get dx over dy plus x is equal to e raised to power y. Now dependent variable is x and independent variable is y. So standard form will be dx over dy plus x into function of y is equal to function of y. Now we will consider p of y and we will find the integrating factor by using this. As you can see in the equation is direct that 1 is multiplied by x. So 1 will be our p of y because 1 can be considered as a function of y because we can write 1 as y raised to power 0. Now integrating factor will be e raised to power integral of dy which will give us e raised to power y. Now multiplying equation static by the integrating factor, we will get e raised to power y into dx over dy plus x is equal to e raised to power y into e raised to power y. Base same powers will be added. On the right hand side of the equation we will get e raised to power 2y and on the left hand side we will get e raised to power y into d over dx plus x into e raised to power y. We can see on the left hand side of the equation that it is a derivative of x into e raised to power y. In all the questions, this left hand side will be the derivative of y into integrating factor. But here a dependent variable is x. So it will be a derivative of x into integrating factor, not y into integrating factor. After integrating this question, we will find the general solution. Integrate the equation, we will get x e raised to power y is equal to e raised to power 2y divided by 2 plus c. E raised to power y will be divided on the both sides and we will get x is equal to e raised to power y by 2 plus e raised to power minus y.